Good morning and happy Saturday. Very excited today because I am doing a new hiking trail that one of my hiking buddies recommended. It is at Mount Diablo State Park in the Bay Area over by Concord. I think it's technically in Clayton, but Concord, California, Clayton, California. So Mount Diablo State Park has some beautiful waterfalls. So there is a waterfall trail that I'm going to follow. Probably about 8 miles because I'm not starting up at the visitor center. That parking lot was a little full, so I came down to the secondary. That's about a mile from where the trails start. But look at how beautiful and green everything is. So even starting down the trail, I'm gonna walk along a road for a little bit, but it's still beautiful and it's nature. I love to be out here and just see the beauty. So I hope you're excited for a new adventure, or as a little excited as I am. And I hope that you enjoy seeing all the amazing things that are here in Mount Diablo. And for those of you who are in the Bay Area, you can certainly come here fairly easy. So looking forward to showing you the trails. This is such a pretty peaceful trail. Right now, it's still fairly muddy as I go along. I'm just at the beginning of it, so maybe half a mile in, and it's not disappointing yet. Not that I expect it to be, because look at all this. Just to touch base with nature, re-energize myself. This one's a solo hike. I love to do my solo hikes. I love to do my group hikes. Just depends, but right now, this is the one that I needed just to get some earth energy into me. It's been 3 weeks since I hiked, and that's a long time, but I have my other interests. Been focusing on my belly dance as well, so you know, you do what you can, and then you make space for the things that you really love. And that's the key, making space in your life for things beyond the mundane, the everyday. Take a look at the things that are around you that can bring you peace and joy. Simple as this little bit of creek. Listen to it. Find your way to get re-energized, whether it's a nice cup of coffee, a hot bath, hanging out with friends, hiking, dancing, doing artwork, doing gardening. Whatever is your joy, just pursue it and be in the present moment with it. Enjoy. Look at this cute little creek. And it runs through here and along the trail and back down, farther on, and keep going. But just stopping along the trail and listening for the water, the birds, chipmunks. Well, I haven't seen any chipmunks, but squirrels, and even the bugs. There's not very many. In fact, just 1 or 2 around here. But all of it just shows how much life there is around us. And then breathing in the scent of nature after it's been raining, and the dirt and the pine needles and the trees, wildflowers, everything that just absolutely lifts my heart. Look at that beautiful tree. Well, trees. If you haven't guessed by now, I'm a tree person. I love trees. Trees are amazing and beautiful. So a lot of my clips will have trees. I'll show you more later. So the weather is absolutely beautiful. Didn't think that I would be in a t-shirt for a little while because I thought the weather would keep us more on the colder side, and I do not like cold, so I get cold easily. But it is perfect weather. Now, someone on the trail told me that there's parts that are washed out, so I don't know how far I'm gonna get to the waterfalls, at least this direction. We'll just see. I'm gonna do my best without endangering myself. You always have to be smart when you're hiking. I have my InReach Mini on me. I've let people know where I am and when they can expect me to contact them after this day hike. Those are important elements. I keep a first aid kit with me, and I keep a positive attitude, just enjoying seeing where I can go and how far I can go. And hey, if it's too washed out, so be it. I will go another trail route. It's just to be out here. It's not about accomplishing anything, you know. It's a, well, I guess it is accomplishing peace of mind and being present. But it's not like I'm here to, yes, I conquered this trail. That's not who I am. I'm here to just enjoy all the beauty that is around me. And I hope you enjoy my little adventures and the beauties that I show on it. There's 30 seconds of peaceful water, and wish me luck. I have to cross this to get over there. Crossing my fingers. Well, that little crossing was not too difficult. I got a little muddy, but not wet, didn't fall. So, but I am loving how much this little creek is flowing. I mean, look at that. Look at that. It's beautiful out here. So, a lot of the trail is muddy and has some rivers flowing of their own. But it's fun to see nature just work its magic, because all of this rain has created this beautiful greenery. Look at, see? So just like we need time for rest, nature needs her time to rest. That's what winter is about. When the plants kind of settle down and move on from there, rejuvenate, and get ready for the spring. So this is, look at, there we go, the wildflowers. Look how pretty they are. This is part of the washed out area they were talking about, with the tree not so washed out as much as the tree fallen. Well, I'm glad I continued and didn't just let their news determine if I was going to go forward. One of the things is each of us has the opportunity to make decisions. my decision was I'm gonna see how the trail goes, see if I can get all the way through it. And if I can't, then I turn around and I've still had an amazing hike. I think it's how you look at it. Instead of going, I didn't finish the hike, go, I finished so many good parts of this hike. That makes a difference. Oh, there's a little waterfall in there. Can't see it much, but you can hear it. So as we come along here, I am looking forward to just seeing all the water and the beauty around me. Again, look how the water is absolutely beautiful and flowing. Love it. So this is an area where I'm not going to video because I'm going to need all my concentration so that I don't fall down. But know that you just put one foot in front of the other and slowly get to your goal. Remember, it's not how fast you go. It's that you are putting effort in and you are making strides. You know, your goal is there and you can reach it with some great determination. All right, so now that I got kind of through the little bit of washed out area, I have a little bit more to go, but as you can see, the trail continues on over there. But I'm glad that I'm not stopping because this is beautiful. Absolutely amazing. Puts a huge smile on my face. Look, we have a river through the trail. Okay, I'm highly amused by this. I'm not really bummed out or freaked out or anything. It just is nature. Just met another hiker on the trail, and he was telling me, yeah, that he's never seen it like this. And then, of course, coming in after the rains, but not during, like some of the intensity portions of them, the water is not muddy. Well, I mean, it is, but it's not. So when it flows through this little creek area, it's a lot cleaner and prettier. So I'm excited to see. I have faith that I will make it through to all the falls. There's a number of them. So I'm kind of curious to see how many. I didn't count them all, but on the map, but I am looking forward to it. So follow all trails. This time I did counterclockwise, which is good, but without knowing any difference. Look at this. A lot of little creek crossings. So have waterproof shoes if you have them. My shoes have gotten in the water many times, and I'm dry. No sock wet. Yay! I'll show you more in a bit. So now we've got a little bit wider of a trail. You get to see a lot more of the foothills here. They look beautiful in the green. Look at that greenery. Oh, it is so lovely to see the greenery that comes out with the rain. And then the sun coming out today is so warm and beautiful. I love it. So I hope you're having as beautiful a day as I am. Enjoy it. Hopefully you have some really good weather wherever you are, and that you can get outside and get some sun. I needed my vitamin D. I will show you more of the trail soon. I do love when you're on a trail and there is flowing water all around you, next to you, as you go along your trail. It makes it so beautiful. Look at that. And then more trail to go. These are little waterfalls, but they are fun. They're just little streams. And but it doesn't matter whether it's the size of Yosemite Falls or a small little one. It still brings peace and joy. So there we have the true falls. They are beautiful. Look at it flow. I just love seeing water flow. It's so impressive. And then you can see out to the bay. It's a little bit of bay right there. Right there. Oh, so beautiful. I am so glad that I did this hike. I hope you enjoy it. Gosh, I love seeing moss. Look at how cool that is, the texture. Oh, nature. And then the cute little buttons. Look at that. So we're coming up to another little fall area. Hopefully we can get some. There's a lot of people on this trail today. So I will definitely get some video outside of that. Hello again. So here we are at this beautiful section of falls. Love it! As I said, there's lots of people around. Look at that. Ooh, down there. We're getting towards the end. I think I still have about a mile to go, but we still have a beautiful, beautiful view. Although we're along a fire road now, and it's definitely a wider path, not as much to see as far as lots of greenery, but you do have that greenery, which is gorgeous. And the foothills look amazing. So a little bit more of this cute little creek or river. I don't know what delineates a river from a creek. Some of the creeks I've seen look pretty darn big. But it's so relaxing. Even on this last leg and being in the along the fire road, it's nice to have that running water and see all the greenery. I mean, like crazy. Like, it looked, some areas when I was coming down, it looked very much like sweet Ireland. At least pictures I've seen of Ireland. I haven't been to Ireland. Want to go. Bucket list. So is Scotland. Anyhow, I hope you are enjoying this little path that I'm doing. And see you soon. I love seeing the grass wave and move with the breeze. It's pretty cool. I don't know if you can see how it's kind of got those step bridges in the side of the hill. So, woohoo! Still moving along slowly, enjoying this beautiful little hike. Hi everyone! So, I have made it back to the little visitor center for Mitchell Canyon. So I took the trail to, I did the Falls Trail, and then I did a little bit more and kind of zoomed around, checked out all the a little bit longer area. So instead of like a 7.9, I did like 9.5 miles. It was great being out here. I loved being in the sun. Got a little chilly towards midday with the breeze, but I was able to have just a normal t-shirt on. Yay! I know it's short-lived. We're gonna have more rain, but that's okay. We need it. We're California and we've been in a drought. I just wish we wouldn't get so inundated where the ground can't soak it up, but that's okay. We'll still do well. So this has been Wanderlust on the Trails, and I'm Lori Pardee. If you enjoy these videos that I make and my little adventures, please sign up, go ahead and subscribe, and after you click the subscribe button you can get notifications of when I put up new videos. I tend to do about 2 a month. Sometimes I can do as many as 4. Just kind of depends on how the month goes. So I would love to hear your comments or suggestions on trails. That would be fabulous. I go all over California. So if you do, just leave comments and I would love to hear from you. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your weekend. Bye.